Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can turn on your professional mode on Facebook, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn on professional mode on your Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to your profile. So before I show you how to turn on your professional mode, first, I want you to check if your profile lock is turned on. If your profile lock is turned on, you need to turn it off because Facebook won't allow you to turn on professional mode while your profile lock is enabled. So to turn off your profile lock, you just need to tap this 3 dots. Then after that, right here, you will now be able to see the unlock profile option. Just tap it to unlock your profile. And after that, tap unlock to completely unlock your profile. And after that, your profile lock will now be turned off. So now that you've turned off your profile lock, let's now proceed on how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So to turn on professional mode, just tap the 3 dots like you did earlier. And after that, you will now be able to see the turn on professional mode option right here. Just go and tap it. And then tap turn on. And then continue. And right here, you can now set up your Facebook professional profile by adding profile picture, cover picture, bio, and more. And once you're done setting up your profile, you can now go back. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully turned on your Facebook professional mode. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.